Welcome to my cooking channel. Today's recipe is Chapli Kebab, served with fresh naan, fresh salad, mint chutney and hummus. Chop a couple of onions. I have half a kg of beef mince meat, so a couple of onions should be enough. After you grind them, put them in a sieve, press it down to release all the juice. This dries out the onion and keeps the mixture dry. It's very important to do this because it will hold the shape of the kebab. Finely chop the tomatoes. I have a couple of tomatoes, green chilies and coriander, also finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of coriander. Tablespoon of cumin seed, ajwain 1 teaspoon, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Grind this mixture, add to your minced meat. Tablespoon of salt, 1 egg, ginger and garlic paste. Give it a good mix with your hands. Work at it. Take your time and give it a really good mix. Make sure all the mixture is well mixed together. Now, this will show you how soft or how moist it is. Now you can add some corn flour, a tablespoon of corn flour, maybe 2 tablespoons of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can use all-purpose flour. I forgot to add the chili flakes, so I've done that at the end, but you should really add it before. Here I've only put 1 kebab, so then I can cook it, taste the salt, and cook the rest of them. As you can see, there's not too much oil. In this tawa, I can put 4 kebabs at one time, and as the kebab is cooking, it releases the fat and makes it more crispy when you cook it in the fat. Fresh naan. Naan is also an easy recipe. Warm your milk, lukewarm milk, add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, let it sit, see if it reacts. The yeast reacts for about 10 minutes. Add it to your flour and add oil, water. You've got your dough ready. Here's the finished product. Absolutely beautiful, tastes amazing. Thank you for watching.